Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my November 2020 Ipsy Glam Bag Plus unbagging. I'm so excited because I got my Glam Bag Ultimate today as well, and if you haven't seen that unboxing of that, I'll have that video linked in the description down below. But so the Glam Bag Plus that I have here is the $25 a month version, and this one I have been really excited about because it's super customizable. You get to choose 3 out of 5 of your products, whereas the regular Glam Bag and the Glam Bag Ultimate, you only choose 1 of your products. And because I've been able to choose 3 products, the Glam Bag Plus I feel like has really improved, and I have been so much happier with it than I was before. So here is what the bag looks like. I was saying how the Glam Bags make great gift bags, and these drawstring ones are especially great gift bags that I'll be using for a lot of my gifts this holiday season. Okay, let's see if I got product information. No product information in the Glam Bag Plus. I did get product information in the Glam Bag Ultimate, which I was super excited about. Luckily, Ipsy has a really helpful app that gives you your product information, gives you your retail value. So let's see what I got, because I cannot remember at all what I chose. Oh, so first off, I have a product from Item Beauty, which I am excited about this brand. I tried out the brow pencil recently, not last month, the month before, I think, and I loved it. I can have that video linked in the description down below if you want to see it. But so this is the Lid Glaze Hydrating Jelly Eyeshadow. Ooh, that seems really fun. I wanted to try out more products from the brand Item Beauty because I really liked that brow pencil. So I got this in the shade Heart Drop, and this has a retail value of $14. Ooh, so excited. Next, I will pull out, from Violet Voss. I love eyeshadow palettes, one of my favorite types of products to try out in my Trying a New Makeup Product Every Day series, which if you are not already aware, I will be doing full dedicated review videos on all of the makeup products I get in Ipsy. I'll also, of course, be doing my unboxings and unbaggings of my other Ipsy, my BoxyCharm products, and I'll be doing full face makeup tutorials, or maybe like Get Ready With Me, something like that, where I can update you on all of the products after I've tried them at the end of the month. But so, oh my gosh, look at how pretty this is. I love that it's neutral, but then there's like a pop of color. Ooh, that looks really pretty. It feels like nice packaging. I wonder what the retail value is on this. $20. It seems fancy though, like just the feel of it. And then I also got, from Sugar Rush Tarte. I love getting Tarte products. This is the Lip Sip Vegan Lip Oil. Oh my gosh, how fun is this packaging? So I got this in the shade Fresh Pressed. Oh, I'm so excited to get a Sugar Rush brand product. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Maybe the Sugar Rush products are more designed for like younger kids, maybe, with the like bright packaging, but it gets me. I love it. And then next, this is from the brand Julep Eyeshadow 101 Cream to Powder Eyeshadow Stick. Ooh, wow, 3 eyeshadow products, which I am not mad at. So I got this in the shade Bronze Shimmer. Ooh, this seems like a great, versatile, easy eyeshadow product. Ooh, nice twist up. Ooh, I'm excited to try this out. Ooh, and then a smudger on that side. I don't know if I've really tried out any products from the brand Julep. Let's see what the retail value is on this. $14. I keep thinking these are going to be more expensive than they actually are. And then lastly, I have, this looks familiar. This is from Tristique. It's Good Vibes Mascara with a built-in curler. I think I've tried this out before. Yes, I have. So I'll have the video where I already reviewed this linked in the description down below if you want to see more information. And it's a really interesting concept because it has an eyelash curler built into it. However, I found the eyelash curler kind of hard to use and I didn't love the effect of it, but it is still a really cool idea. But I'm going to save this maybe for a giveaway, maybe as a gift, so someone else can try it and hopefully they'll really like it. But yay, I got all makeup products in my Glam Bag Plus, which I am so excited about. Kind of makes up for all that skincare products and hair products that I got in my Glam Bag Ultimate. But so let me do a recap. I got the Violet Voss eyeshadow palette, the Sugar Rush lip oil, the Julep creamed powder eyeshadow stick, the Item lid glaze, and the Trestique mascara. I just love that I'm getting mostly all products that I'm so excited about now, products that I actually want and would purchase on my own, so I really feel like I'm getting my money's worth. So definitely let me know in the comments down below if you have tried out any of these products and what your thoughts are on them. Let me know what you got in your Glam Bag Plus, and also, since I'm going to be trying all of these products out in the full dedicated review videos, let me know if there's any that you're extra interested in me doing reviews on first, and then that way I can prioritize the order that I review them in. But as always, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.